If you're using just one tooth to chew food, stop right now. But why is that? Watch until the end to find out. But first, if you don't want to lose your teeth, don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, each tooth has its own function. Incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, and molars for grinding. Overusing one tooth will weaken it, make it loose, and eventually cause it to fall out. Sharks can replace thousands of teeth throughout their lives, but humans only replace their teeth twice. Losing a tooth not only makes chewing difficult, but also makes your face look sunken and older.